and welcome to my channel. My name is Katelyn and my channel's name is My Randomly Organized Life. Welcome back if you are already subscribed, and if you are new, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family. So like the title of the video says, today I'm going to share with you what was in my most recent Ipsy bag for the month of September. So this is the bag. It's just a black and gold makeup bag, and it has these cute little eyelashes on here, and then a gold little zipper tassel. Just says Ipsy on there. So if you haven't heard of Ipsy, it is a monthly subscription and it's $10 a month, and you get about 5 products. Sometimes they are full-size products. Most of the time they're probably going to be sample sizes, but for me that's okay because I do like sample sizes because a lot of times I don't like to purchase something in full size if I've never tried it before, so I like to get a sample to test it out. But I will leave my link and everything down below if you are interested in checking it out for yourself. So every month there's this little card in the box or in the bag, and this one just says the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. So it's just a little quote there, and then on the back it just has some additional information, usually like a coupon code or something. So I like getting the little card in there. So the first product that I have in here is a brush. It is a Luxie brush. I believe it's a Harley Quinn type inspired brush, but here's what it looks like. So it's just a flat brush here, very soft. I love Luxie brushes. They're super soft, and I don't think I've found one that I don't like. I will say I've never used a brush like this, but I was looking on the Ipsy website and it did say this is for your concealer. So I'll be interested to try this out because, like I said, I've never used a brush with this style bristles. The next item is this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer and moisturizer in one. So that's what that one looks like. And I have used Smashbox primers before, so I'm sure I'll like this one. I don't think I've used the one with the moisturizer in it, so I'll be interested to see if this works with my oily skin or not. So another item in here is this nail polish from Trust Fund Beauty. So it's actually the nail polish that I have on today. I thought it was perfect for fall. Definitely will be good for winter as well. Let's see if I can find the color. Oh, the color is Kiss Kiss Darling. So I really like the Trust Fund Beauty brand. I've gotten a lot of them in Ipsy bags in the past, and I've liked every single one. I think the quality is great, and the colors are great. Typically with a nail polish, I have to do 2 coats. With this one, I definitely do because it is a dark red, but some of the lighter ones, you don't always have to do 2 coats. I just like to do 2 because it makes it more bold, and just the color is just more pigmented that way. So the next item here is it's a Satin Dream leave-in cream from Eva NYC. For your hair, this is what it looks like. I don't think I've used this before. So it just says apply a small amount to your palm and massage through damp hair, style as desired. So it's like a leave-in conditioner basically that you don't have to rinse out, and just helps with the frizz, I'm guessing. Interested to try that out. I can always use something for my hair. I feel like as I've gotten older and coming out of the summer months too, my hair just on top is a little bit more frizzier than normal. So the last item I have here is from Winky Lux, and this is what the package looks like. Super cute. It is it's a mermaid kitten is what it says. The color is Ursula. So it's an eyeshadow. Open it here. So it's this really pretty metallic purple. Not sure if that's even picking up on camera well. Let's see if I can swatch it here. So there's what a swatch of it looks like. It looks much better in person, I can say. But I really like the color. It's a good purple because a lot of times purples are almost too purple. which is fine sometimes, but I don't always want that bold of a purple. But I really like this one because it's more of a, I don't know how to describe it, not a muted purple, because it's pretty dark. That's with 2 coats of a swatch. So I really like that purple. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy bag this month for September, and I'm interested to try some of these out. They are new products to me. Other than the Trust Fund Beauty nail polish, I've obviously already used it, and I've used them before. Luxie brushes I've used before, but not that style. The Smashbox primer I've used before, but not the one with the moisturizer in it. And then the leave-in cream for your hair I have not used before, and the Winky Lux eyeshadows I haven't used before. So really excited to try those out. And like I said in the beginning of this video, if you haven't heard of Ipsy before, it's a monthly subscription for $10. You get 5 products every month. And most of the time they are sample sizes, but I will leave my link and everything below in case you want to check it out. And again, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support, and I would love for you to hit that like button and as well as that red subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.